Hello everyone. Now today we are going to discuss about the important board questions 2018. 2017 ka we have already discussed in the previous video. Today we are going to discuss the board paper 2018. So I have not written all the questions. The questions which I feel they are difficult for you, I have copied it here. There are two numericals total. There are two questions. Question number 4, A part, B part and A part, and question number 9. There are 3 parts. Complete question, that means 10 marks from here. 3, 3, 9, and this is of not 3 marks. It is of 4 marks. So these are 4 marks. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 7 plus 3. How much? 10. And 10. 2 marks is this one. 10 and 2 marks is this one. So that means total we are having 14 marks question from the calorimetry. तो 14 marks का तो बेटा इससे आता ही है. Previously in the 2017 when we have discussed, there are two questions again. They are of 15 marks. Now they are of 14 marks. So that means near about 14 or 15 marks, or sometime it may be 16 marks question will come from the calorimetry. So that's why it is important. So let me read the question. Those I have not written. So I feel they are easy for you. That's why I have not written those questions. First of all, question number 4, A part. In question number 4, A part, he is asking you, how can the temperature in degree Celsius be converted into SI units? SI units of temperature means he is asking you how you will convert degree Celsius into degree Kelvin. Degree Celsius को degree Kelvin में कैसे convert करना है, that he is asking you. So it is very simple. So but simply by adding 273 degree. तो 273 degree बेटा उसमें add करोगे तो it get converted into degree Kelvin. So it is of 1 marks. It is the second part also. A के 2 parts are there. First part 1 mark, second part 1 marks. In the second part, he is asking you, a liquid X has a maximum specific heat capacity and it is used as a coolant in car radiators. Name the liquid. So again, it is very easy question. He is asking you the liquid which we use in the car radiators. So that liquid is called water. The specific heat capacity of water is very high. That's why it is used as a coolant in the radiators of your vehicles. Then we are having this B part. This we have to do. In this B part, solid metal of mass 150 grams at its melting point of 800 degrees Celsius by providing heat at the rate of 100 watt. The time taken for completely melt at the same temperature is 4 minutes. What is the specific heat of fusion of ice? He is asking fusion of ice. So now what we have to do, so everything is given to you. So first of all we have to decide which body will absorb heat and which will lose heat. Then by using the principle of calorimetry we have to solve them. So we are having a solid metal. So solid metal, the mass is given to us. The mass is how much? Say it is M1. It is equals to how much? 150 grams. It is 150 grams, and at its melting point of 800 degrees Celsius, that means temperature, say it is T1 is 800 degrees Celsius. By providing heat at a certain rate, that means the power is given to us. How much is the power? The power is 100 watt. Okay, power is 100 watt. The time taken for completely melt at the same temperature is 4 minutes. The time is given to us. It is how much? It is 4 minutes. So 4 minutes ko we can convert this into seconds. So we get 240 seconds. And he is asking us the specific heat of fusion. Specific latent heat of fusion he is asking us. He is asking us the specific latent heat of fusion. So he is asking us the value of L. So that means we know that Q equals to ml, the mass. So we are having, but we don't have this L. We don't have this L. This L we have to calculate, and we don't have this Q. So Q can be calculated by using the power. Power को use करके we know that power equals to how much? W, or we can say Q by T. So Q you want to calculate, the power is given to us. The power is how much? 100. The value of Q is how much? We want to calculate. The time is how much? It is 240 seconds. So that means Q equals to 100 into 240 किया, so we get how much? It will be 24000 joules. So this is the value of the Q. So now we want to calculate the latent heat. इसको use कर लेते हैं. Say it is first equation. So we can write here from first. From first we can say it is Q equals to ml. So from here L equals to how much? It will be Q upon M. So the value of Q is given to us. It is 24000 upon the value of mass is given to us in grams. So 150, 0 get cancelled. We can cancel this also. 3 5 ja 15 and 3 8 ja 24 and 0. So we get how much? We are getting 800 upon 5. 800 upon 5 joules per kg or joules per gram. Sorry, joules per gram. So this is our answer. It is 24000 it is 800 upon 5 और इसको further जब हम लोग solve करेंगे so we get 1.6 into 10 की power 1.6 into 10 की power 5 joules पर kg में इसको convert कर देंगे हम लोग by dividing it with 1000 और if you can leave your answer here so it is okay. यहाँ पर भी आंसर ठीक है, यहाँ पर wrong नहीं है बेटा आंसर कि अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि we have not calculated उसको points में calculate नहीं किया है but it is okay. But if sometime he asks you to give your answer to certain decimal place, तो in that case we have to solve this. तब उस condition में मुझे ये solve करना पड़ेगा. But अभी ये answer ठीक है. So this we have calculated. If you are not writing it in points, so don't worry. It's okay. Now after this, moving to the next question. The next question, that means question number 9. Question number 9 तो already हम लोगों ने जब we are doing the numericals तो उस time हम लोगों ने किया था. So let us do it once again. The A part, question number 9, let me read the A part of it first. So the A part है इसका, in the A part he is telling us, he is saying you heat supplied to the solid changes it into liquid. What is the change in phase called? इतना simple question पूछ रहा है कि I don't feel कि इससे simple question कोई और हो सकता है. He is asking you heat supplied to solid changes into liquid. Heat दी solid को liquid में change हो गया तो what is the name of change? तो melting है. ओके मेल्ट हो रहा है, सॉलिड को हीट प्रोवाइड किया तो वो मेल्ट हो गया, तो दैट मींस द प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड मेल्टिंग. देन इन द सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ ए ही इज आस्किंग यू ड्यूरिंग द फेज चेंज डज द एवरेज काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ द सब्सटेंस इंक्रीजेस. सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव टू थिंक अ लिटिल बिट. सो ही इज आस्किंग अस कि व्हेन वी आर हीटिंग अ सॉलिड as the kinetic energy of molecules increases, क्या kinetic energy molecules की increase होगी? So your answer will be no. Why no? Because the heat which we are giving is utilized for doing a change. एनर्जी तो इंक्रीज करेगी लेकिन काइनेटिक एनर्जी इंक्रीज नहीं करेगी, उसकी पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इंक्रीज करेगी. Okay, so we can say no here. Then coming to the B part, state two difference between heat capacity and specific heat capacity. He is asking you two difference between heat capacity and specific heat capacity में difference देना है, so this you have already done. Then the second part of B is asking you give a mathematical relation between the heat capacity and specific heat. Specific heat में और heat capacity में relation देना है. So this relation we have derived. हम लोग जब कैलोरीमेट्री कर रहे थे तो उस टाइम हम लोगों ने किया है, and the relation is C equals to M small c. So this is the relation. That means the heat capacity equals to mass into specific heat capacity. So this is the relation. Now after this coming to the next part, this is the last C part है ये. It is the C part. So in this C part, let me read the question from here. The temperature of 170 grams of water. So that means two things we are having. एक तो water है and एक ice है. जो water है, mass of water, say it is M1. How much is the M1? It is given to us. It is 170 grams. 170 grams of water at 50 degree Celsius. That means the value of T1 is how much? It is 50 degree Celsius. Is lowered to 5 degree. That means lowered to 5 degree की means कि इसको change करके हम लोग ले गए कितना 5 degree पे. 5 degree by adding certain amount of ice. Ice कितना add किया, so उसको let कर लेते हैं कि let M2 equals to M2 is the mass of this ice. Okay. m2 क्या है, मास है, हम लोगों ने उसको लेट कर लिया है, कितना है वो, m2 है. Lowered by certain amount of ice to it, find the mass of the ice. क्या निकालना है, इस m2 की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. एंड एवरीथिंग इज गिवन टू अस. इट इज गिवन हियर H2O, specific heat capacity is this much, specific heat latent of ice is this much, latent heat of ice is given to us, and the water, specific heat of water is given to us. Now first of all, जो टेम्परेचर है आइस का, आइस को भी कहां पर जाना है, दैट मीन्स T2 विल बी 5 डिग्री. वाई आई एम सेइंग यू 5 डिग्री, क्योंकि तो उसका वाटर को आप 5 डिग्री पे लेके आ रहे हैं, तो वट एवर इज द टेम्परेचर ऑफ आइस, वो लिक्विड में कन्वर्ट होगी. लिक्विड में कन्वर्ट होने के बाद किस में चली जाएगी, गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू एट 0 डिग्री वाटर. सो लेट अस सी हियर. सबसे पहले तो हीट लॉस देख लेते हैं. हीट लॉस कौन करेगा, ऑब्वियसली जो ये वाटर वाला पार्ट है ये हीट लॉस करेगा. यहां पे हीट लॉस होगी, ओके, ये हीट लॉस करेगा. एंड जो ये वाला पार्ट है ये हीट गेन करेगा, ओके, ये गेन करेगा. सो लेट अस फाइंड आउट द हीट लॉस बाय द वाटर. सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं, हीट लॉस निकालते हैं वाटर से. सो लेट मी फाइंड इट. सो हीट लॉस इक्वल्स टू कितना हो जाएगा, इट इज सिंपली Q इक्वल्स टू mc del T we can say. So Q we are finding, so m is how much, 170. convert करो kg में, because specific heat is given to us in kg में convert किया. and s is how much, it is 4200. and then del T will be how much, कितना था, 50 था, 50 से 5 गया, so that means it will be 45. so this is the heat loss. now let us see the heat gain. heat gain को देखते हैं. सो हीट गेन क्या होगा, हीट गेन में जो आइस है किस पे है, सबसे पहले हम लोगों के पास आइस है 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे है, तो सबसे पहले ये जाएगी 0 डिग्री वाटर पे, फिर 0 डिग्री वाटर जाएगा आपका 5 डिग्री वाटर पे, ओके, 5 डिग्री वाटर पे. तो यहाँ पे स्टेट चेंज हो रहा है, इसलिए Q इक्वल्स टू ml यूज करेंगे आप. वी यूज Q इक्वल्स टू ml और यहाँ पर Q इक्वल्स टू mc del T को यूज करेंगे. सो दैट मीन्स we can say कि that Q equals to, I am writing it directly, एक तो ml आएगा और प्लस mc del T आएगा. सो ml की वैल्यू कितनी आ जाएगी बच्चे, मास कितना है, मास ऑब्वियसली हमें नहीं पता है. सो इट विल बी m ओनली. लेटेंट हीट कितना दिया है उसने, इट विल बी 336,000 एंड प्लस m विल बी रिमेन m ओनली, एंड m will be m only. C will be how much, specific heat capacity of water, that means m into C how much, 4200, and then into del T. del T will be 0 से 5 डिग्री में जा रहा, तो it will be 5 डिग्री. so यहां से 336,000 m and plus how much, it will be 5 to the 10 का 0, 20 plus 1 21, 1 2 1 2, ओके, 5 to the 10, 10 का 0, 1 कैरी, 5 4 the 20 प्लस 1 21, साथ में 2 0 आ गए, दिस मच m. सो इसको ऐड हम लोग कर देते हैं. सो 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5, so on adding it will be 2 1 0 0 0. so we get 0 0 and one more 0, 6 plus 1 7, 5 3. so this we are getting. Okay, so this we are getting. Let me rub it first. इसको रब कर देते हैं क्वेश्चन को, because question is not required anymore. So let me rub the question. क्वेश्चन को रब किया यहां से. So heat gain equals to heat loss. So that means heat gain equals to heat loss. So heat gain is how much? This much is the heat gain. So I am writing it. It will be, इसको पॉइंट को हटा दो. सो वी कैन राइट 0.17 इंटू हाउ मच, 4200 इंटू हाउ मच, 45 इक्वल्स टू, फ्रॉम हियर इट इज 357 एंड हाउ मेनी जीरोस, 3 zeros आर देयर, और ये साथ में इसके क्या है, m भी है. तो सॉल्व कर लो इसको, यहां पर m लगा दो. तो द वैल्यू ऑफ m विल बी 0.17 इंटू 4200 into 45 upon 357,000. So this much kg is the value of ice. Okay, तो ये तुम्हारा क्या आ गया, this is the ice we are getting, और इसको सॉल्व करने पे it will be 90 grams. जब आप सॉल्व करोगे इट विल बी 0.9 वी कैन से, और यू कैन से 90 ग्राम इज द मास ऑफ आइस. सो दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. सो प्लीज डू इट इन योर फेयर नोटबुक. इसको पूरा का पूरा फेयर नोटबुक पे करना है 2017-2018 बिकॉज द चैप्टर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Okay, so for today only this much. Let us discuss 2016-2019 paper in the next video. So thank you very much.